For most people who are interested in Wicca and witchcraft, you're going to be interested in doing magic for yourself. But there are people out there who may not be used to magic or maybe new to magic, who want to do some spell work and magic but feel a bit hesitant to do it on their own. And then maybe they are thinking about getting somebody else to do it for them. In this video, I want to talk about what the benefits of doing your own magic is. But before I dive into that, hi, I'm Sandra from MysteryWitchSchool.com. If you're new to the channel and you want to learn more about Wicca and witchcraft, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos. And if you're trying to figure Wicca out all by yourself and you want to have a practice that you can turn up to every day and know where you're going, but you just need a little bit of guidance as to what to learn first, what to learn next, so it's not all trying to learn everything at once, do have a look at how to start your witchcraft practice. It's a free video that I have that just quickly guides you through how to navigate your way through all of the things you need to learn in order to practice the craft. The link to that is in the description field below this video. So doing magic on your own versus getting somebody else to do your magic. So one of the major benefits of doing magic on your own is that you get to learn how to do magic, and you get to get better at it. The more of it you do, the better at it you get. And even if your magic doesn't always work out, or it doesn't work out the way you want it to, it's always a learning experience. And it's how you learn how to be a witch or Wiccan is by doing the magic yourself. The second thing is that being able to do magic yourself makes you more resourceful. It gives you more tools in your toolkit, and it gives you more of a sense of independence over your life as well, and over your practice. Because if something's going on in your life and you want to do some magic, you can just quickly go and organize yourself, plan your spells, and off you go and you start working your magic. And you also save money as well, because you can do spell work that doesn't have to cost you a fortune. You can do really, really simple spells that are low on a budget, and you're not paying somebody else to do a spell. Another advantage of doing spell work yourself is that you get to experience the connection between you and the earth and the gods. And if you're working with spirits like angels, for example, you get to feel the connection with those beings. So you get to feel the connection to the all and everything. And that is such a worthwhile thing. It's what helps you know that you're not alone in the universe, so that you are part of a bigger picture. And so you can feel that sense of connectedness between you and all beings when you've practiced magic. Even just working with herbs, you're working with nature, you're connecting to nature. Even if it's a candle, if you're doing candle magic, you're connecting to the color, you're connecting to the element of fire. If you're doing magic with water, you're connecting to the element of water. So it helps you connect. And that is probably the most beneficial thing of doing magic, apart from the results of the magic, is that connection that you have while you're doing magic. Magic can be a very spiritual process if you want it to be. It doesn't have to be just a practical thing. It is in a lot of cases, but it doesn't have to be. It's something that can be very much a part of your connection spiritually to yourself and your deepest self. It gives you an opportunity to focus on what it is that you want and to take a little bit more responsibility for the outcome as well. When you do magic for yourself, you're more likely to take action on the opportunities that come to you, because you're more connected to the magic than if you get someone else to do it. Now, there are advantages to getting other people to do your magic as well. If you're new to magic and you haven't done a lot of it and you really, really want something done, then you may want to get somebody else to do the magic for you. If you're having difficulty getting a spell to work, you might want to get somebody else to either guide you as to what you may be doing wrong, or to actually do the spell work for you. But other than that, there's really no other reason to get somebody else to do your magic for you if you are walking the Wiccan or witchcraft path yourself. Now, I understand that there may be people who watch these sorts of videos who don't know anything about magic or witchcraft or Wicca and may not even be interested in witchcraft or Wicca. They just have something they want done, and they think that, as a last resort usually, that a spellcaster is going to be able to fix all of their problems. And if that is you, then you're probably going to be in a situation where you have absolutely no interest whatsoever in ever doing any magic yourself anyway. I can't stress enough that magic is something that is really enriching in your life, and try a simple spell to help bring in more money, to bring a relationship into your life, to perhaps bring more healing, or even to work on protection yourself rather than relying on other people to do it for you. Because it can be really difficult to find a good spellcaster out there. They're out there, but you know, it's hard to know who's a good spellcaster and who might be a scammer. So it's, you know, it's about navigating your way through the terrain. If you're particularly interested in becoming a witch or a Wiccan, then doing your own magic is really where you're going to have to go, and you're going to have to practice it, and you're going to make mistakes, and you're going to get frustrated, and you're going to sometimes want to even tear your hair out if things aren't working quite the way you want them to. It's just all part of learning how to do things. If you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm Sandra from mysterywitchschool.com. Blessed be.